Okay, we're going to continue our little trip to Hyde Park, go through Mount Lookout, short little drive. Let's see how it works out. FSD now. I'm going to go ahead and slow it down a little bit to 20 as we go through this residential area. Nice area here. Our mayor used to live right down here. Slowing down for the speed bump, that's nice. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up a little bit. So, getting some blinker action, got a car coming. Not bad. Another speed bump. Took it a little slow, which is good. I had a good speed, good slow speed. Car parked on the right. Another speed bump, nicely navigated. Driving very nicely here. Now here's a stop sign. Traffic from left does not stop. You can see from the left here, there's no one. Okay, got a truck here, a little bit of limited sight distance. All handled very nicely. Okay, now we got a little bit of tricky intersection here. Okay, got left turn signal on. Stopping for the stop sign. Now you got very limited visibility. Got car coming, cars coming, cars coming, more cars coming. I wish it wouldn't creep like that. And from the right. Okay, you can go now. Should go now. Got car coming to the front. Still clear left. Okay, should go now. Should go now. Should go now. I'm going to go ahead and give her some go juice. Just tell it can go. And it moved up here. Okay. So, a pretty severe intervention. We made it here. Now, we're going to want to exit up here on the right. We need to get into the right lane. A quick, there we go. Had a quick blinker. I like that. Don't hit the curb. Okay. Okay. Look at that. We got through there. Only intervention was I had to push the go pedal to tell it when to go. It did not know when to go, and I don't know it would ever have gone or ever have known when to go. So, like I say, it was a pretty severe intervention that, I mean, it probably would have been stuck there. Now we're going to stop for this car. Okay, okay, they're pulling over for us. I did not do anything. Thank you so much. Big dog. Okay, that was not great getting by those people. But it was not horrible by any stretch. And I'm going to bring it to an end here. We'll pull this guy over right here. End this ride. Score it out.